Yes, I think the same for 20 years ago also. The most advantage is that you are saving resources and you are saving transport of resources. So the transport cost is very much contributing to the greenhouse gases. So you save transport with recycling on sites instead of importing natural resources over longer distances. And especially in big cities where you have long time and traffic to transport big trucks loaded with resources. No, not in the building industry. Mostly in the construction industry, when you make roads, you have a lot of use of materials. But in the future, we might see reused aggregates, but also reused elements in future. If you learn in the future to construct buildings with possibilities to deconstruct buildings and reuse the elements. It's believed because we have tried in Denmark. We have built several houses with recycled materials and 100% recycled concrete. And they are quite normal houses, they are still standing and without any problem. So the recycled concrete has the same properties as new concrete. Because now we have the overall sustainable goals, and now we are trying to build building according to sustainability and also to the greenhouse gases and also to what we call circular economy. And the building and construction industry is improving. They are now going to follow the standards or certificates of green buildings, for instance the LEED standard, the BREEAM standard or the other standard, where they can get certificates and points to promote their building, to make higher quality of the building. I think it's very, very important that Argos, as one of the biggest cement and concrete industries in this part of the world, I think they should take a lead and be much more active and also take some risk and go forward with using a recycled aggregate for both infrastructure but also for building structures.